Is a 2025 EV worth it for you? Pros and cons for daily drivers. As the electric vehicle (EV) market continues to expand, many drivers are considering making the switch. With improved battery technology, enhanced charging infrastructure, and government incentives, a 2025 EV may seem like the perfect choice. However, there are still challenges to consider. Let's break down the pros and cons to help you determine if an EV is right for your daily commute and lifestyle. Pros of owning a 2025 EV. 1. Lower operating costs. One of the biggest advantages of EVs is their lower operating costs. Electricity is generally cheaper than gasoline, and maintenance expenses are significantly lower due to fewer moving parts. There are no oil changes, fewer brake replacements, thanks to regenerative braking, and reduced engine maintenance. 2. Environmental benefits. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a cleaner alternative to internal combustion engine (IC) vehicles. With continued advancements in renewable energy, charging your EV with solar or wind power can further reduce your carbon footprint. Government incentives. Many governments offer tax credits, rebates, and other incentives to make EVs more affordable. While these benefits vary by region, they can significantly offset the initial purchase cost. 4. Improved range and charging infrastructure. The 2025 EV models boast longer ranges, with many exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. Additionally, fast charging networks continue to expand, reducing range anxiety and making road trips more feasible. 5. Advanced technology and performance. Modern EVs come equipped with cutting-edge technology, including autonomous driving features, over-the-air software updates, and advanced infotainment systems. Plus, EVs offer instant torque and smooth acceleration, making them fun to drive. Cons of owning a 2025 EV. 1. Higher upfront cost. While prices have dropped, EVs still tend to be more expensive than traditional gasoline vehicles. Even with incentives, the initial investment might be a barrier for some buyers. Charging time and infrastructure limitations. Although charging infrastructure is improving, it is not yet as widespread as gas stations. Home charging requires installation costs, and fast charging stations may still be inconvenient for some drivers. Additionally, charging takes longer than refueling a gas car, which could be a drawback for those with tight schedules. 3. Battery degradation and replacement costs. Over time, EV batteries degrade, which can lead to reduced range. While battery technology is improving, replacement costs remain high, although warranties typically cover batteries for at least 8 to 10 years. 4. Limited model availability in some markets. Despite the growing EV market, certain regions have fewer model options or limited availability. If you have specific needs, such as towing capacity or off-road capability, you may find fewer choices compared to gasoline-powered vehicles. 5. Weather and performance concerns. Extreme temperatures can impact battery performance and range. In colder climates, EVs may lose efficiency due to increased energy demand for heating the cabin and battery. Is a 2025 EV right for you? Ultimately, choosing an EV depends on your driving habits, budget, and access to charging infrastructure. If you have a short daily commute, access to home charging, and want to save on fuel and maintenance costs, an EV can be a great investment. However, if you frequently take long road trips, live in an area with limited charging stations, or need a vehicle with specific capabilities, you might want to weigh your options carefully. As the EV industry evolves, the future looks promising. Whether you decide to make the switch in 2025 or wait for further advancements, understanding the pros and cons can help you make an informed decision.